once said, and I quote, "It is only through labor and painful effort, by grim energy and resolute courage, that we move on to better things."
Carrying the same vision, we at the Sri Ram Millennium School, Noida, relentlessly persevere to achieve and grow in every field. We also believe that to accomplish great things, we must not only act, but also dream. Not only plan, but also believe. With dreams in our eyes and faith in our hearts, we are here to celebrate the completion of 11 glorious years of its existence. A warm welcome to all our distinguished guests. Thank you for being here with us today.
पर्व है पुरुषार्थ का, दीप के दिव्यार्थ का। विद्यालय में ज्ञान का दीपक जलता रहे, अज्ञान रूपी अंधकार से युद्ध यह चलता रहे। हारेगी हर बार अंधियारे की घोर कालिमा, जीतेगी जगमग उजियारे की स्वर्णिम लालिमा। झिलमिल रोशनी में निवेदित अविरल शुभकामना, आस्था के आलोक में आदरयुक्त मंगल भावना। विद्यालय की स्थापना दिवस पर सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामना।
Light is considered as a symbol of auspiciousness, prosperity, and abundance in our culture. Light brings brightness with it and removes darkness. It signifies knowledge and dispels ignorance. Let the lighting of the auspicious lamp illuminate our lives.
शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते दीपज्योति परं ब्रह्मा दीपज्योति जनार्दन दीपो मे हरतु पापम् दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते।
मिट जाएगा सब अंधियारा, शिक्षा का गुणगान करो। बांटे से तो बढ़ता है ये, इसका सदा विस्तार करो। और इसी ज्ञान के मंदिर अपने विद्यालय के प्रति सम्मान व्यक्त करने हेतु आप सभी से सादर अनुरोध है कि विद्यालय गान के लिए अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं।
श्रीकार बढ़ाएंगे, हाथ में आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे। दीप लिए हम सब कर्मों का जग रोशन कर जाएंगे। विद्या ददाते हम, विद्या ददाते हम, विद्या ददाते हम, विद्या ददाते हम। देश है अभिमान सदा, हम इसकी शान बढ़ाएंगे। कदमों विद्याददाति विनयम् विद्याददाति विनयम् स्वाभिमान से ऊंचा सिर हो संस्कृति पर हो गर्व सदा ये हाथ एक दूजे का जीवन पथ पर चले सदा कर्म भला हो प्रतिभा से हम चौबीस जोश जलाएंगे प्रेम हमारी शक्ति बनेगा प्रतिज्ञा भी निभाएंगे विद्या ददाति विनयम् 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 विद्या ददाति विनयम्
We request Uttara ma'am to address the gathering on this momentous occasion.
Namaste, namaste bachcho, namaste to everyone. Happy Founders Day. It's our 11th Founders Day this year. I remember 2009 when Mrs. Manju Bharatram herself laid the foundation of this beautiful school. And today we are 11 and what a year it's been. In this year, I think our children have been absolutely the superstars who've held through. Thank you children for everything that you do. You are our true Shriyansh. To our parents, our Shri Mitra, thank you so much for being there, for supporting us. You've really been our true partners and we've proved that our three-way handshake is stronger than ever. Our Shri Shikshaks, thank you teachers. You've really held through each and every single classroom and proved that you are the true Shri educators who don't need physical borders. You've shown that teaching is from the heart. My congratulations to all the long service awardees, those who've got 10-year awards, 5 years awards, and Ramanjit ma'am who's got an award for 25 years of service to Shri. What an achievement. Many congratulations. To all our outgoing batch, children class 12, you are the graduating batch. You've had a strange year indeed, but I promise you we'll try our best to make it up to you as soon as things normalize, even if you have to come back next year. So, as I end, all I'd like to say children is as we go into 2021, let's go with hope, with a complete surety that we are going to have a brighter year ahead. It's going to get better and we've lived through the worst. Happy Founders to everyone, and I really wish to thank Vasvi ma'am, Radhika ma'am, Shantanu sir for being such a support and for being there with us every step of the way. Without you, none of this would have been possible. So a big thank you to everyone, a big shout out, happy Founders, and let's really make the next year a very happy one. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. Benjamin Franklin once said, and I quote, "Without continual growth and progress, such words as improvement, achievement, and success have no meaning." Unquote. One of the 4 core values our esteemed institution stands for, the pursuit of excellence, is portrayed by our students who are ever ready to enhance their abilities and compete with themselves. They are not fearful of change or challenges, but strive to make things happen despite all odds.
This year being the new normal, every event had to be conducted virtually. While our Shri educators left no stone unturned to ensure the students a holistic year, our passionate young achievers seized every opportunity to display the highest of standards at all times. We are now going to show you a video celebrating the achievements of our students in various fields.
अक्सर हमसे कहा जाता है कि जिद मत करो, पर क्या जिद करना बुरा है? या फिर जिस बात के लिए जिद हो रही है वह बुरी है? जी हाँ, जिद का होना एक गुण है, पर इसकी दिशा सही होनी चाहिए। कुछ इसी सही जिद की नृत्यमय अभिव्यक्ति है हमारी अगली प्रस्तुति। आइए हम सभी मिलकर इसे जानें और इसका आनंद लें।
जिद करो कि दुनिया बदल जाए। जिद हो ऐसी जो गलत को भी सही कर जाए। सहरा में भी नदियां बहने लगे, सहरा में भी नदियां बहने लगे। बंजर भूमि भी हरी हो जाए, बंजर भूमि भी हरी हो जाए।
जिद हो हर भूखे को खाना मिले, जिद हो ऐसी जो रोते को हंसा जाए। हौसला दो किसी की टूटती उम्मीदों को, हौसला दो किसी की टूटती उम्मीदों को। हाथ दो किसी के थकते कदमों को।
जिद हो जो आंधी में दिया जला दे, जिद हो ऐसी जो रास्तों के लिए चट्टान हिला दे। हर बात सिर झुकाकर यूं ही मान लेना बुज़दिली है यारों। हर बात पर यूं ही सिर झुकाकर मान लेना बुज़दिली है यारों। कई बार जिद करना भी जरूरी है यारों।
जिद हो कि सत्य ना छिपे कभी,
जिद हो सत्याग्रह ना रुके कभी।
जिद हो हर हार जीत में बदल जाए।
जिद करो कि कठिन भी सरल हो जाए। जिद करो कि कठिन भी सरल हो जाए। जिद करो कि अनेक एक हो जाए। जिद करो बदी भी नेक हो जाए। जिद हो जो वाली को वाल्मीकि कर दे। जिद हो जो वाली को वाल्मीकि कर दे। जिद हो जो अंधेरे में रोशनी भर दे, रोशनी भर दे।
जिद करो
कि तारे धरती पर उतरने लगे। जिद करो कि तारे धरती पर उतरने लगे। जिद करो कि धरती पर ही स्वर्ग बनने लगे। जिद करो कि धरती पर ही स्वर्ग बनने लगे।
स्वर्ग बनने लगे, स्वर्ग बनने लगे।
What a mesmerizing performance! May I now request Vasmi ma'am to please address the gathering.
Namaste, TSMS Noida. I hope you all are keeping healthy and keeping safe. On behalf of Radhika ma'am and myself, I'd like to wish you all a very happy Founders Day. I can't believe it's been 11 years. This is a school that we are very, very proud of, and it's very close to our hearts. So happy to be addressing you, even though it is virtual. March 2020, the world as we knew it changed, and we came across totally unprecedented and challenging times. But COVID has also taught us a lot. It has taught us not to take our health for granted. It has taught us to be resilient and to be adaptable. It has taught us to be empathetic and help those in need. And most importantly, it has taught us that family is our first unit and one that we can depend on to be with us at all times. Speaking of family, I'd like to congratulate the TSMS family for coming together so beautifully and supporting each other. And at this point, I'm going to take a minute to thank each and every one of you. So please bear with me. I'd like to start with our young students. Thank you for showing so much resilience. You have been stuck at home since March. You have adapted to online classes, but you have still been active, positive, hopeful, and thank you for that. We really appreciate it. It's not been easy. Thank you to our teachers. We have always said that you are the backbone of the school, and you have truly proved it. You have managed your own families, your homes, your own children, along with doing many, many hours of online classes every day. It's not been easy, and we are very grateful to you. A big thank you to our parent community. You have always believed in us and also held our hand through these challenging times. Thank you for keeping our morale high and for those lovely videos and PPTs that you have sent for Teachers' Day and for Children's Day. We really appreciate it. Our leadership team, Uttara ma'am, Ramanjeet ma'am, Pia ma'am, and everyone else. Thank you for holding the school together and from leading from the front and leading from your heart. The board exams, in spite of all the chaos, have gone very well, and many congratulations to the students of class 10 and class 12 for coming through with flying colors. Class 12 has also got admission in some fantastic universities. Wish you all the very best, children. Our blessings will go with you wherever you are. The batch of 2021. It has been a very different and a very difficult year, and our hearts go out to you, and we will do whatever we can to make your last few months in school as happy as can be, and we promise that whatever it takes, we will give you a physical graduation, even if it is in May or June of 2021. That's our promise to you. I'm so happy to see the shape that the international program is taking at TSMS Noida. Big thank you to Aparna ma'am and her team. Long Service Awards are a way of acknowledging the teachers and all the effort that they have put into building the institution and making it what it is today. Very happy and proud to share with you that we have 6 teachers who have completed 5 years at TSMS today, 16 teachers who have completed 10 years at TSMS today, and 1 teacher, Ramanjeet ma'am, who has completed 25 years at Sri Ram School today. Many, many congratulations, ma'ams. Thank you for all that you do. School, as we know, is not just a place that we come for academics. It's a place that sparks your curiosity, it fires your imagination, it helps you bring lifelong bonds with your teachers and students, and is a home away from home. Children, your school, your home misses you, and we are waiting for you to come back to us as soon as things are better in our city. In the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy, wash your hands, remember to wear your masks, keep smiling, keep shining, and don't let anything or anyone ever dull your sparkle. Wish you all a very, very happy Founders Day. Thank you and namaste.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. A new world dawned upon us and our teachers, but instead of getting overwhelmed by the situation, they stood up for the students to face the challenge. Our Shri educators have always believed in teaching from the heart, and they take pride in the bond that they share with the students. Undeterred by these unprecedented times, their unconditional love acted as the catalyst to get them prepared for the coming days. New innovations, a plethora of initiatives, and various platforms in the virtual world were explored to make teaching learning exciting for our beloved Shri Ansh. The connection thus established between the teacher and the student on this new platform is equally strong, if not more. Presenting the next video portraying the journey taken by our Shri educators.
प्रकाश सर से सादर निवेदन करता हूँ कि अपने विचारों से हमें अवगत कराएं।
Namaste everyone. Congratulations on the 11th Founders Day of the Sri Ram Millennium School, Noida. It's indeed a pity that we are meeting virtually in these unprecedented times. But amongst the doom and the gloom, there is a lot that we have to cheer and celebrate about the school. I can go on and speak about the wonderful results that our students have secured in the exams. Hundreds, to get 100 and centums in our school, they are literally dropping off the charts. I can talk about the amazing placements that our students have got in some of the finest universities of the world, UCLA, King's College, Ashoka, St. Stephen's, and many others out there. But what is most important is to celebrate the spirit of the teachers who've had to reinvent themselves in these difficult times. And there are no words that I can use that would convey the depth of my appreciation for the most heroic job that all teachers have done. They've come together to ensure educational continuity, and in fact have raised education and learning during these times to a new standard, which many others in the country, many peer schools are in fact talking about to say how TSMS Noida is doing it. We've become like the gold standard for that. I have a special word of appreciation for all the parents. Dear parents, thank you for believing in us. Thank you for trusting us. And thank you for supporting us in these difficult times. It has been a very tough time for all of us, whether we have a small business or enterprise or we are in a job. And during these difficult times, you prioritized the school. You prioritize the support that you're giving to us, not just financially, but also emotionally, also your words of encouragement for all our teachers. I'm really happy to also know that today, a large number of our teachers, 16 to be precise, are getting the Long Service Awards. A special congratulations to Ramanjeet. She gets the 25-year Long Service Awards. Thank you so much for your service, ma'am, to the Sri Ram way, to the Sri way of doing things. Once again, I hope we meet very soon in normal times in our school auditorium, which will be bustling with the energy of thousands of students cheering us. But I guess during this COVID time, we still have to wait for a little while for that to happen. Congratulations once again to all of you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. Welcome to the enchanting world of Sri. Here, we are inspired to pursue our dreams, hold our opinions, and express them freely. The magical moments we spend in our virtual classrooms never let us feel that we are away from our school physically. Starting from assemblies to different club activities, inter-house competitions to celebrations of various festivals, there are activities galore to keep us engrossed throughout the day. Let us take a glimpse of the endless events that happen in our virtual classrooms, where learning is mingled with fun to train the responsible citizens of tomorrow.
Our success as students is directly attributed to the support and contribution of our dedicated teachers and equally committed members of the administration team. We are ever grateful to have them tirelessly supporting, guiding and motivating us over the years.
कुछ कर गुजरने के लिए मौसम नहीं, मन चाहिए। साधन जुट जाएंगे, संकल्प का धन चाहिए। आज हमें कुछ ऐसे ही संकल्पबद्ध शिक्षकों को सम्मानित करने का सुअवसर प्राप्त हो रहा है, जो गत 5, 10 और 25 वर्षों से हमारे विद्यालय के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। उन्हें विधिवत सम्मानित करने से पूर्व आइए जानते हैं विद्यालय के विषय में उनके विचार।
जीवन के किसी कोने में एक स्वप्न था पल रहा, बच्चों की किलकारियों से एक आंगन था सज रहा।
विद्यालय नहीं हम एक घरौंदा बनाने चल दिए, भावों का नन्हा रूप विद्यालय रूप में साकार करने चल दिए।
श्रीमात्र एक शब्द नहीं, अंतर आत्मा की चेतना है। कच्चे पक्के प्रांगण में भी नन्हे कदमों और भावों की संवेदना है।
4 स्तंभों पर खड़ा मेरा श्री अद्भुत बड़ा, बनता गया यह मिसाल, बनाता गया हर पल को खास।
कच्ची पक्की पगडंडियों पर मिलता गया अपनों का साथ, अभिभावकों का मित्रवत व्यवहार इसकी अलग ही है बात। बच्चों की निश्चलता, श्री शिक्षकों की कर्मठता, विचारों की विविधता और समृद्ध होता मेरा परिवार।
ऐसा परिवार जहाँ स्वयं को स्वयं से मिलाया जाता है, आपकी हर छोटी बड़ी उपलब्धि को श्री का प्रशंसा तिलक लगाया जाता है।
स्टाफ रूम में चाय में अमेजिंग लाइफ की जहाँ सब लेते हैं चुस्की और होती है खट्टे मीठे पलों की मस्ती। बच्चों की किलकारियों से कॉरिडोर है जीता, प्रकृति को ईश्वर बना जहाँ हर छात्र ज्ञान सुधा है पीता।
हर एक व्यक्ति इसका वो मील का पत्थर बना, जिसे पार करते हुए वे उत्कृष्टता की एक सीढ़ी और चढ़ा।
तुलना नहीं किसी की भी किसी से, तुलना नहीं किसी की भी किसी से, क्योंकि हर कोई खास है। श्री वह बुलंद स्वर है जिसके अपने विचार और अपनी आवाज है।
छोटी सी छोटी बातों को बनाता है ये विशेष, हर कार्य में छिपा रहता कोई नया संदेश। कहां से कहां पहुंच गए हम, समय के पंखों को लगा बनाते अपना आसमान, भरते रोज नई उड़ान।
कैफेटेरिया की खिलखिलाहट, प्लेटों की खनखनाहट, लजीज खाने की खुशबू, बच्चों की मीठी गुटरगू, छोटी छोटी बातों पर रूठना और मनाना, अपनी हर एक बात से खाने का स्वाद बढ़ाना।
चाहे ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई हो या म्यूजिक क्लास की शहनाई हो, चाहे डांस क्लास की हो खनक, हर एक एक्टिविटी बनती है खास, जो लाए हमारे श्री अंशों के मुख पर मुस्कान और विश्वास।
विद्यालय के प्रांगण में पहला कदम, विद्यालय के प्रांगण में पहला कदम देता एक अनुपम एहसास है। स्कूल नहीं ये किताबों से बंधा, इसमें खनकती भारतीय मूल्यों की आवाज है।
प्रतिस्पर्धा और प्रतिद्वंदिता का यहाँ नहीं कोई काम है। स्वयं को बेहतर बनाना और जीवन सही मायने में सिखाना, यही इसका अंदाज है।
बच्चों की किलकिलाहट विद्यालय का मधुर संगीत है।
हैप्पी स्कूल कहलाते हैं क्योंकि यह रिश्तों का नई रीत प्रीत है।
उन्नति जहाँ मात्र अंकों से नहीं मापी जाती, उत्तम विचार, उत्तम कर्म, यही सीख सर्वप्रथम दी जाती है।
अखंडता में एकता का यह दर्पण है। फूल बगिया में कई रूप रंग के, लेकिन यह तो एक उपवन है। यही वह शक्ति है जो हमें कभी टूटने न दे। सक्षम है हम, समर्थ है हम। इस भाव से आगे बढ़ने से कभी रुकने न दे।
विद्या ददाति विनयम इसका मूल मंत्र है। युग चाहे जितने बदले, यह संस्कृति से उपजा मृदुल फल है।
विद्यालय का मात्र छात्रों से ही नहीं नाता है। परिवार ये पूरा तब बनता है जब श्री अंश, श्री मित्र, श्री शिक्षक साथ में कदम से कदम मिलाता है।
संस्कृति पर गर्व करते हुए हमने नमस्ते कहना अपनाया है। प्रेम व स्नेह से मानव गुणों के आगे अपना मस्तक झुकाया है।
प्रेम और विश्वास का भाव यूं ही बढ़ता गया। मैं से तुम से हम होते हुए श्री का कारवां चलता गया, परिवार ये बढ़ता गया।
श्री मात्र एक शब्द नहीं, संवेदना है। श्री अनुभवों की अनुकृति है। श्री भावों की स्वीकृति है। श्री मधुर झंकार है। श्री एक विद्यालय, एक परिवार है।
मंदिर की मूरत नहीं, निशब्द कर दे ऐसी सूरत है श्री। आसमान में चमकता ध्रुव तारा है श्री। इसका सम्मान ही मेरा सम्मान है। इसका सम्मान ही मेरा सम्मान है। यह हम सब का अभिमान है। यह हम सब का अभिमान है। Here's wishing all of you a very happy 11th Founders Day. Namaste.
We now move on to the ceremony felicitating our Shri educators who have completed 5, 10 and 25 years of service at TSMS Noida. It has been a remarkable journey for our teachers, full of unforgettable experiences. Heartiest congratulations to all of them.
And when it is the birthday of our happy school, we all join hands to celebrate it in a unique manner. Our youngest Shri Ansh are eagerly waiting to wish their school on its 11th Founders Day, which we are sure will make this beautiful moment memorable forever. For my school picture, my school is happy birthday to my school. Happy birthday to my school. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to my school. My school. Happy birthday, Salam Rayyan. Happy birthday, my school. We love you. From piano failing. From piano failing. Happy dear soon. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, school. I love my school. Namaste, my name is Sai Pankaj. Happy birthday, TSNS. Happy birthday, school. Happy birthday, school. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my school. I'm Sira. Happy birthday, Sriram Millennium School. Happy birthday, Sriram Millennium School. Sriram Millennium. Michael.
दीवारों पर रंग बिरंगी पेंसिल से बनाते आड़ी तिरछी रेखाओं के जाल, कल्पनाओं में बनाते नदियां पहाड़ और आम में भर देते रंग लाल। ऐसे हैं हमारे ये चित्रकार। बड़े होकर ये कोरे श्वेत कागज पर मन के भावों को देते हैं उकार। कलम और तूलिका को हाथों में लेकर रचते एक अनोखा संसार। ऐसे हैं हमारे ये भावी चित्रकार। और हमें यह बताते हुए अत्यंत हर्ष की अनुभूति हो रही है कि अपने इन्हीं चित्रकारों के चित्रों की प्रदर्शनी की वेब सीरीज श्री प्रतिबिंब आर्ट फ्रॉम द हार्ट को हम शीघ्र ही आपके समक्ष लेकर आ रहे हैं। इस श्रृंखला को हमने 3 भागों में विभाजित किया है, रिफ्लेक्शन, नरेशन और क्रिएशन, जिसमें क्रमशः कक्षा 9 से 12, 6 से 8 और 1 से 5 तक के छात्रों की कला को सम्मिलित किया गया है। आइए देखते हैं इसकी एक झलक।
many goals. Our mentors have guided us to stand with our heads high, to take initiative and to lead. I request the presidents of our student council, Akash Bengani and Khushi Kedia, to address the gathering and deliver the vote of thanks.
Namaste to all. As I stand here today, I remember the first day I entered school. The entire student body assembled in the reception. Didis, bhaiyas, students and teachers. We, a very small group then, were welcomed by Uttara ma'am, and Amrinder ma'am into our Abbot of Heaven, our new home. And in just 1 decade, we cannot even accommodate the middle school in the auditorium. Since 2nd grade, I cannot imagine a single day where we as a school have stopped growing, imbibing the Shri spirit in all our endeavors and initiatives. The COVID-19 has presented us with a challenge never faced before. However, I urge all of you to keep the spirit of optimism high, because the human spirit of resilience will take us through these challenging times. Our journey over these 11 remarkable years emboldens my belief that we will come ahead of this crisis. Colin Powell said, and I quote, "A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes hard work, sweat, and determination." And I know we will continue our quest of turning dreams into reality. Happy Founders Day to all of us. Thank you.
Namaste. Today is a very special occasion as the Shri Ram Millennium School Noida turns 11. The journey of these glorious 11 years would not have been possible without the leadership of Uttara ma'am, Pia ma'am, Ramanjeet ma'am and Aparna ma'am. Their love for the school fulfills our dreams every day. Thank you for guiding us. A big thank you to all our Shri educators for always inspiring us to be the best version of ourselves. Thank you for shaping us into who we are today and selflessly helping us reach all our aims. This year has been the silver lining for all of us as you ensure that our classes continued and worked your Shri magic even virtually. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the admin department, the Didis and the Bhaiyas for their constant support. They are keeping the school spotlessly clean and sanitized as they await our return to school. Thank you to the TSMS family, the parents, for always standing by the school in all our endeavors. It is because of your constant support and motivation in all these years that we have been able to achieve even the impossible. I think all of us have understood better than ever that during these difficult times, our parents have stood by us, and I personally extend a huge thank you to all our parents on behalf of the Shri Ansh. To the student body, each one of you has shown resilience and perseverance throughout the years and have upheld the core values of our school with pride. And I'm sure that in the coming years, we all will keep the Shri spirit soaring high. Last but definitely not the least, how can I not mention the Student Council? Even during these unprecedented times, we have always come together and faced all the challenges fearlessly. I thank you all for tirelessly working throughout the year, even though the platform became virtual. I once again wish everyone a very, very happy 11th Founders Day. May the next year be a wonderful one for all of us. Thank you.
May I now request everyone to rise for the national anthem.
शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।